a true incident. I got placed in Hexaware. It was an MNC. So first day of Hexaware, I go there, and there is this gentleman who comes and he's introducing himself, and he says, "Hi, I am Ravi Arumbakam." So everybody, all of us are, newcomers, and we are all tense, thinking so we didn't realize what he was saying. His name was Ravi Arumbakam. So there was this girl standing next to me, and she thought you are supposed to give your name and the place that you are coming from together. So she went and said, "Hi, I am Vaishnavi Pushalakam." She says this. And the third person, that is me. I couldn't resist myself. I am me after all. So I go and say, "Hi, I'm Jaya London." That guy got so angry. And he just left and he was like, "You guys are still in college, and you think you're in corporate or what?" I'm like, "I promise, my name is Jaya London." And I just take the tag and I show him, I actually did this. And from that day onwards, I was like, I came to know that he was one of the vice presidents of the company. I decided that if I keep calling myself Jaya London, I'm done for. I better, call myself Bobby. But just because I changed my name to Bobby also, things were not really great. Just by changing, while typing, just by changing alphabets or, adding alphabets, my name totally changes. It can either become BOBBY, BBI, or it can become BOOBY. So you can understand the word that I'm talking. I have got n number of emails calling me that. And I have to go reply back saying that I am not BOOBY, I am BOBBY. Trust me, I have done this so many times. So this is what my life has been happening. My father and I I studied in a college where my father was a professor. After my so-called 12th standard debacle, my father decided this is enough of mother taking care of this girl. It is high time I take care of her studies. So when I joined my diploma, I was given strict instructions. You either study in VIT or you get married to your Athai's son. That fellow was only this tall. I am sitting and I'm showing you his height. He was only this tall, about this tall. And my father threatened me that he was going to get me married off to that boy if I didn't, study or, get into. Not study was not the thing. I had to get into VIT. If any of you stood in front of my father, you would have believed him. He would have done it. So I did study and I did go to VIT. But there, after joining VIT, I had other problems. If I did one experiment in the lab, that information also will go to my father. That, sir, Bobby was doing this particular experiment at this time, this one. So I was really losing it. My father, even before I go to his room, then I told him, "See, boss, this is not happening. Just because you and I are in the same college and I'm listening to you, this is not happening. So let us come and start some rules. So even if we, cross each other in the campus, we should act as if we don't even know each other." So that was also another reason why I changed my name. So I was no more Pullabotla's daughter. I became like this Madonna, only Bobby. So anybody calls me, asks me what your name is, I would just say my name is Bobby and done over.
ஆனா மெடோனால கொஞ்சம் டூ மச் ஜெயா மெடோனால கொஞ்சம் டூ மெடோனானா உன்னை கம்பேர் பண்ணலாம் டூ மச் சந்தடி சாக்ல இன்சர்ட் பண்ணிட்ட பத்தியா மெடோனானா
மெடோனால என்ன கம்பேர் பண்ணிட்டது பேர்ல
மட்டும் அங்க கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா சுதா மேம் ஃபேஸ் கொஞ்சம் ரியாக்ஷன் சுதா மேம் ஃபேஸ் ரியாக்ஷனை பார்த்துட்டு பேசு உன்னை மெடோனான்னு சொன்னே அவங்களுக்கு அப்படியே தம்பிட்டு வருது வெளியில அப்படியே சிரிச்சிட்டு go ahead.
So life after that I thought my life was getting better, and then my mother did one project was getting Bobby married off. She did this project for almost a year, and she found somebody who is working in the same office that I am working in. How tragic that is. my husband and I almost sit in the same floor. And I told him even before, I did not want him to know what project I'm working on, even before I go home. So the rules that I had with my father before even I got married, I told my husband, these are the rules. You see me in office, we don't know each other. And that is how, so far, we are surviving in the same office for the last 12 years. And when I'm saying all that about my husband, I have to tell you a secret. Never, ever, ever go to my husband for a haircut. He will give you a full mundan only. So after giving a mundan to both my boys, just now they have some hair on their head. He has been offering to cut my hair for the last 2-3 months, and I have decided that I am not going to do it. As it is, I have nothing. So Kumula calls me the sun goddess from school. Right from school, I'm always the sun goddess because I never had a proper hair. It's not my fault. It's genetics. It is genetics. Teachers, it was genetics. Every single time you would come and tell me to oil my hair, I want to tell you guys, it is genes. I don't have hair. So I think that's my time. Thank you so much. And over to you, Anand.
தேங்க்ஸ் ஜெயா, தேங்க்யூ ஜெயா. சேம் எனர்ஜி. சுதா மேம்லாம் வந்து நடுவில் கலாச்சிருப்பாங்க, நடுவில் கவுண்டர் போட்டுட்டு லைக் ஷீஸ் பாவம் மியூட்டில் இருந்திருக்காங்க. மேம் நீங்கள் 2 வார்த்தை அவங்கள கலாய்க்கணுமா ஜெயாவை? சரி மேம், அவளுக்கு முடியலன்னு வருத்தப்படுறா. எங்க ஆம்பளைங்களுக்குலாம் எவ்வளோ பேருக்கு முடியலாமல் இருக்கு, அதை பற்றி நாங்கள் எங்கே போய் சொல்றது அப்போ? ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ஜெயா, தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். அண்ட் வில் கோ டு த நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம். டைம் ஆல்சோ இஸ் தேர். ஸோ ஸ்ரீதேவி, உன்னை பேண்ட்வித் உனக்கு கரெக்டாக இருக்கா? கேன் யூ சிங்? ஆர் யூ கோயிங் டு சிங் ஸ்ரீதேவி? ஐ saw you on the line. ஸ்ரீதேவி, Sridevi, are you there? Okay, நிஷாந்த், நீ பாடுறியாடா ஏதாவது? ஆர் நெட்வொர்க் சரியில்லைன்னா I'll go to வினோத் or வித்யாசங்கர். நிஷாந்த்?
Anand, the audio is far away. Keep getting cut.
Okay, do you want to sing Sridevi?
I barely heard 4 words Jaya spoke and she's been speaking for like...
Okay, no problem. Okay. We'll go with Vinod. Vinod?
Yes, Anand. Yes.
Yeah, you go ahead, please. Yeah.
Oh, you wanted a Hindi song, right?
Or ஒரே நிமிஷம்